I came back with extraordinary technology for helping people to help themselves and learning how to bump our nervous system, i.e. our antenna system for our connection, is what we have to learn how to do. Then we become exponentially more useful because we're going beyond the mind for how we address issues. We're learning how to address issues in partnership with something bigger than ourselves, which happens to be all about harmony and, order in the first place. We need to mesh with this. That's the cutting edge I'm playing on.
That's rather a dramatic one, or rather a powerful one. And have you set up a vision of how you're going to get this out to the public? Are you going to have classes? Are you going to come out as a speaker, or are you going to write another book that focuses on this?
Well, first off, this technology is actually very affordable. It's meant to be owned by individuals or families. And you work with a computer, and you work with headphones, and you work with a couple of electrodes and software and particular protocols that are designed to induce a flexibility in your brain and nervous system so that you can... You see, what happens is most of us are rigid whether we understand it or not. And in our rigidity, we're in resistance to something bigger than us. And we need to learn how to let that rigidity go so that this natural state of connection with Source becomes available. The ability to move very rapidly in a conscious kind of a manner is available to us now. This rigidity, I'll give you an example. Most of us create our reality, we create our realities by focus. Most of us don't realize that resistance is focus. And you see, resistance keeps us from the very thing that we all want in our lives. At some level of our gut level, we know that there's more, and because we're afraid or have fear or doubt in certain parts of our life, we have this rigidity, and in this rigidity we stop our potential from expressing itself, and it keeps us from trusting and moving into the unknown. So I will be teaching seminars. I want to introduce these kinds of ideas and say, here is technology that you can own